Nulla tamen debatur appropinquandi facultas, lacus enim non ex aqua sed a limo constitit. However, no ability of approaching was being given, for this lake existed not from water, said from mud. So watch out for limo. They don't mean like regular mud. I think they mean more like quicksand and stuff like that, because obviously if it was a lake of hard mud, you could just walk over it. Okay, let's go look at the translating part now. However, that's easy. Nulla, that's part of the subject. Notice it's feminine nominative singular, and this adjective is modifying facultas over here. That's nominative singular, but why does it end in as? Oh, because it's third declension. So no ability of approaching. This is a gerund, a verbal noun in the genitive case. No ability of approaching was being given because this lake, not from water, there's one prepositional phrase, but from quicksand existed.